guys, what's up? How are you feeling? Spooky, I bet, because it's Halloween, And today we'll be doing some Halloween themed hand lettering. Okay, guys, now this time's intro is actually more of an explanation as to why there isn't a Halloween card but a Halloween hand lettering video. Because the card that I intended to make, it was supposed to be a pop-up trifold card. I even had the base made for it. There was supposed to be a design here. It was a trifold card, so there would be one flap on another, then a pop-up feature, and then a Halloween scene. But it failed miserably because I do not have the right kind of inks to make a design like that. I first of all thought of using makeup, but then I was not very happy about putting plastic over it. So I did a lot of things, a lot of trials and errors, and wasted a lot of stuff, to be honest. But the card was a huge disaster. But as promised, in the Halloween spirit, there has to be something to come right. So that is why we are here, hand lettering. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Already have done the design with pencil, so this is what we are going to hand letter. And for this, we will use the Crayola markers broadline, my favorite tool for hand lettering. We'll use the purple and orange. Classic Halloween colors. Classic. So we'll use these two, and by the way, this pack is like new, so these are some juicy markers. So let's get started. I did not do anything particularly fancy with the hand lettering itself. I kept the word happy pretty simple, but with the word Halloween, I wanted to be bold and bright. So I kept the downstrokes very thick, and that really differentiates the word happy and Halloween. Okay, the next thing we'll do is we will add the shadows to both the hand lettering, and I'm assuming the light source to be on this side, like for example on this cobweb, there's a light bulb. So all the shadows will fall to this side of each of the letters, and we'll do the shadows with a gray marker. Now the shadow is done, it's looking cool and realistic. Now we'll add some highlights. Now I did the highlights on the word happy with a silver glitter pen and on the word Halloween with a black marker. But also later I thought that the word Halloween was not having enough shine, so I went in with a black glitter pen and did the same kind of highlight I did on the word happy. When it comes to adding highlights of the hand lettered words, really a dash and a dot of any kind of gel pen can make your hand lettering look so much more awesome. Now with the words complete, we can move to the rest of the paper and design it, or you can say fill it in with some Halloween themed things. So we'll do a pumpkin here, some cobwebs here, some bats, a witch hat right here somewhere, a pile of autumn leaves, some spider. Now for the pumpkin, I'm using fine liners from Stedler and using the colors orange for the pumpkin itself, green for the leaves, and a dark brown for the stem. Now to color the autumn leaves, I'm using Crayola Super Tips simply because I do not have that much variety of colors in the broadline markers. And for the colors, I'm using some basic autumn colors like 2-3 types of orange, one yellow, one red, and one sage green. I did the fine lining with the dark brown color of the Stedlers for the leaves. And here's a tip. Usually what I do is I do the fine lining first and then I color the images. But I found out this time that if you do the fine lining after you've colored the images, you can easily cover up all the mistakes you made while coloring. So nice thing to follow next time. Okay, next up we're doing the bats and the spiders. Now I did not make a lot of these critters, I just made 3 bats and 3 spiders, and then we'll just simply color them with a black glitter pen because it's a classic. Then I fine lined the cobwebs with a gray Stedler. Now either you could make the cobwebs with freehand or you can make the lines with scale. But I recommend going freehand because in nature nothing is that perfect and it gives more of the feel of a cobweb if you make it completely freehand. I've seen a lot of pictures on Instagram, like they, especially in handwriting prompts, like they write, they handwrite the stuff. That is one thing, but they decorate the entire page so beautifully. I have been wanting to do this for such a long time, and now finally, this is a place where it's a bit empty here. So we will make a witch hat, and then add witch hat. We'll cover it with a black metallic pen, and then we'll make a small moon on the top of the hat with a metallic gold pen. By the way, this notebook on which I'm hand lettering is quite a special one, as it was given to us as a memento by a group of Taiwanese students when we were in the Universal Studios of Singapore. So they came to us and they asked us a bunch of questions about Taiwan and the Universal Studios in general, and then they gave us a bag of goodies in which there were a lot of mementos like an hourglass and then this notebook, and there is also a map, embossed map of Taiwan. Now this happened in 2018, but till now I haven't used this notebook at all because obviously I did not want to spoil it, but I think this is a great start for this notebook because this whole page turned out to be really well. With the witch hat done, this lettering prompt is successfully complete. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for tuning in as always. And I hope that you got some ideas on hand lettering in general, the drop shadow and stuff like that, and also decorating the entire page like I did here. And the next card will be a Diwali card. It will also be a shaker card, so definitely stay tuned for that. Until then, stay blessed, stay happy, stay spooky, because it's Halloween, baby. And I will see you all in the next video.